at the spacious living area which comes up with vitrified flooring. Now this kitchen area is actually spacious one. This is your spacious room of the house which comes up with a why to buy in a new community when you can be part of an incredible established township loved by many families. Welcome to Encore Pebble City Phase 3. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Encore Pebble City Phase 3 by Encore Group which is located in Kelambakkam, Chennai. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, so let me show you the surrounding. I'm standing exactly in front of the marketing office. Just behind me is the marketing office and the entrance of our township is right over here. Once you enter, the land parcel goes up to 42 acres of this township and the land parcel for Phase 3 is inside itself. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview via 3D model. Part of a 42 acre of integrated township, Pebble City Phase 3 spread across 11 acres with 8 towers of stilt plus 14 floors, offering you 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK homes. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 35 plus lifestyle amenities like you get a cricket ground of 2 acres. Here's the basketball court, open party lawn. Here's the clubhouse with many more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Rajiv Gandhi Sarai Road in Kelambakkam, Chennai. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where the main entrance is coming up on my back end side, and just in front of me is the Rajiv Gandhi Sarai Road. Well, this road is taking you towards Tirur Porur and the opposite side road will take you towards Paddur. Now about the further connectivity and location part, where you can connect to D-Mart is 3.1 km, SMK Fomra Institute is again 3.1 km away, Chettinad Hospital that is 3.3 km away from our project. So now let's head towards your 2 BHK model flat of 818 square feet super built up area, and here's the main entrance of our house just behind me. So let's head towards your living and dining space through your main entrance. So once you enter, this main entrance will directly lead you towards your living and dining space. So you can have a look at the spacious living area which comes up with vitrified flooring, and you can have a look at the interior work which is done for your reference with the sofa set over here and even the TV unit space. Now just behind towards your living area is your huge dining space where you can sit easily 6 to 4 seater of dining table, and just behind this dining table we have your balcony attached. This balcony comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, tree side cover. From here you can enjoy a beautiful scenic view of the city and your community. Now once you step outside, your kitchen area which is just exactly opposite to your dining area. Now this kitchen area is actually spacious one where you can have a look at the platform, the cabinets and even the white goods that is added for your reference, and easily over here this center we have ample of space where easily 3 people can work together. Now they are offering you with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. Now this kitchen area comes with attached utility space like this, which is divided by a tile roof to avoid the water spillage, which comes up with anti-skid flooring, provision for your machine, window again for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now let's explore your bedroom space, and your bedroom number 1 is on the one side of the house, another bedroom on the other side. So right over here is your bedroom number 1. So specifically I can call it as a kid's bedroom. So once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look again. It comes up with a vitrified flooring and ample of space inside over here. You can add up your single bed, your double bed or whatever you like. Comes up with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Again, you can add up your work table, your study table in the center. And this is your wardrobe space where you can add up your wardrobe, your dresser and your storage area right in front of me over here. Now, once you step outside, your common washroom is in the center of the house just beside your bedroom number 1 with the easy access. This is your common washroom which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings where the shower area is divided by a tile roof to avoid the water spillage. Now about the master bedroom, which is on the opposite side of your bedroom number 1. But before heading towards your master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with its sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, with the payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour of each and every project. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now without wasting any time, let's quickly head towards your master bedroom. So this is the entrance for the master bedroom. Once you enter, again it comes up with a vitrified flooring, and this is your spacious room of the house, which comes up with a bed space in the center of the room. Even you can add up a side table over here. Here is your window, perfect for ventilation and lighting. And about the wardrobe space, yes, your wardrobe can be set exactly in front of me over here. This bedroom also comes up with a private washroom right over here. So this is your private washroom. I can call it a master washroom with indiscrete flooring and CP sanitary fitting, where the shower area is again divided by a tile rope. So now, as you all know, we are here in Kelambakkam location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then drop down in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, click on the I button to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.